welcome to my channel VP Knowledge Bites. Today's bite is to uncover the topic of Rubik's Cubes. Have you ever wondered why the Rubik's Cube is called as Rubik's Cube? Let's find out today. A Hungarian design professor, Erno Rubik, invented and assembled the first cube puzzle in 1974. He called it as Magic Cube. A Rubik's Cube is a puzzle consisting of 6 colors: red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and white. A Rubik's Cube has 9 faces with 9 squares, out of which 8 are individually rotatable. The aim is to swivel each square until each face has one color. I'll catch you on the next interesting video of VP Knowledge Bits. Thank you, bye bye.